Today we're going to take care of a major issue that a lot of you have, and that is having a dirty headliner. We're going to share with you what we do to clean them and how easy it really is. It's just a little bit time consuming, especially if you want to do the entire headliner. This will be safe. It will not cause any issues with the headliner material itself, because one thing you want to remember is you do not want to get the headliner really wet, no matter what headliner it is. You'll find all these tools in the show more of the video description. We're going to show you really how dirty this is by just doing a small area. And you should get a pretty good idea how well this does work. And all you do is put it on, and we just scrub it in. Great weekend project. Depending on how bad your headliner really is will determine how long you leave this on. Then all you do is take your general cleaning rags. You'll have a lot of those. And as you can see, this one is really clean. I'm going to fold it up so I can show you the proof in the pudding. Swipe over it, there and back. Take a look at the dirt on that. See, it's much darker. See, the stain's gone. Now when you hold the camera up there, you can see that it looks much cleaner and the stain is gone and that quick. So let's do another vehicle that's much worse than this one. All right, we're in our other vehicle now. As you can see, these stains right here, and the whole headliner's dirty. Let's go over this right here. And then scrub it in. Now we just put it on, scrub it in. We'll let these stains here set for about maybe 5 minutes. And by using the foam, you're not getting the headliner really wet. That's the key. Go both directions. And that's what you'll do with stains. And then of course your whole headliner, you'll just spray it in, scrub it in, wipe it all off with your white clean rag. Used a clean rag. Now look how dirty that is. Just that one spot. The stains are gone. Dabbing at the same time you're wiping. And we are going to be doing a video coming up very soon on how to fix a sagging headliner. There you go.